turn
Can you
this
go sit
in?
down, please?
Or can I turn this in?
Leave it on your desk. Elise.
Walrus.
A walrus. What else? Zoe.
Yellow.
What was that?
Yellow.
I can't hear you. Oh, whales. The orca whales, right? Alisa. That's an orca whale. Jude.
Seals.
Seals. We've learned a lot about animals, right?
And Arctic fox.
And the Arctic fox. Thank you. Okay, but today we're going to focus.
Wolf too.
Today we're going to focus on the penguins and puffins, right? Today we're going to use a model to represent the relationship between the needs of different plants and animals and the places that they live. So where do the puffins live? Thank you for raising your hand, Jeremy.
Jeremy? Who's Jeremy?
In the snow, but where else? Daniela. No, not in the forest.
In the Arctic.
In the Arctic, thank you. And today we will be able to explain how penguins and puffins stay dry and why they stay dry. Because there's a reason that we want them to stay dry, correct? Yeah, Alejandro. Alejandro, can you go have a seat, please? Thank you. Okay, so penguins and puffins. We already did this chart, right? So how do they stay dry? We said their feathers, and then we said
Oil.
a waxy oil that is in their feathers, huh? Then we also did, what do they eat the most?
Fish.
Fish. They eat a lot of fish, don't they?
They spit out for the baby fish.
Baby fish. They eat all kinds of fish.
They spit it out and give it to the babies.
Very good. And so we already did this picture, right? We're going to do a little experiment with the penguins and see how they stay dry. Can you go have a seat, please? Thank you. We're going to do a paper that says the wax experiment. It first says ask a question. That's the first part of the scientific theory is ask a question. And our question is, how do penguins stay dry? The second one is we're going to make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess. Everybody say a hypothesis is a guess.
A hypothesis is a guess.
So we are going to guess why we think that the penguins stay dry. Okay? Then we're going to do the experiment. I'm going to walk around to each table while you're doing this form, and I'm going to show you the experiment. Are we going to get up and walk around?
No.
No. Are we going to stay at our seats?
Yes.
Yes, because I'll come around to every table. And it says, color the penguin and spray the water on it to see how the wax from the crayon keeps the water off of it. Then we're going to look at our results. Did the water soak through the paper or did it stay on top? Did it soak through? We're going to say yes or no. Don't answer that right now. Then we're going to make a conclusion. That means we're going to actually say what actually happened. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in a second. Leah and Sophia. Pass these out for me, please.
After all those things are done, can we check them?
Yeah, well, I'll tell you in a second, okay? And while you're waiting, on the back of your penguin paper, I want you to draw. Hold on, you have not yet. While I'm going around from table to table for the experiment, I want you to draw all the different animals that we've talked about that live in the Arctic. Very good.
We don't have any.
Oh, those don't have any?
How do I draw a polar bear?
That one doesn't either. Here, let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
These are blank.
They are blank. Okay. You know what? You guys can share. Oh wait, you have a lot still, huh? Hold on, let me see if we have enough. Put the blank ones right here. There. There. Okay, go get it. There we go. Okay, we are out. You guys are going to share, okay? And you're going to share with her, okay? Okay. So you're going to share. And you guys are going to share.
I read it, Miss Wilma, do we both write our names?
Yep, write your name. If you're sharing, both of you write your names, please.
I write my name.
Oh, good job. Because the first thing I do is
Always to sing. I pick up my pencil and write my name.
very good. The first question says, how do penguins stay dry? Your answers are right here. Pick one and write it, please.
On here?
Yep.
On this one?
Mm-hmm.
What
Yep.
should we write? Should we write feathers? Wait, fish. We're gonna write fish.
No, you're not. No, not this side. This side says, how do they stay dry? So one of these two.
How do you spell wax? I'm gonna do the very top one. Wait, do you write it right here?
Mm-hmm. No, you write it right here.
Mrs. Willett, this one's wax.
Huh?
Which one's the wax?
Right here. W-A-X.
W-A-X.
That's wax right here. Mm-hmm. Right after that. Right here. Nope, right here.
Do both of them have to write it?
Right here.
Both of us have to write it?
Very good. Very good, table two.
Yeah, do both of us?
No, just once.
Okay.
You're going to put it right here.
I don't have a paper. Okay.
You are going to share with Alejandro. Go bring your chair over to Alejandro. Okay, the second question says, make a hypothesis. The hypothesis is a guess. Very good. It says, I think that penguins stay dry because, and then there's a line. Right? Why do you think? Write your answer. Why do you think they're going to stay dry? Because?
I want to write wax. Wait, no.
So write that on the line.
Which line?
Right here.
I'm putting wax in oil.
Where he's doing it.
Oh, this line?
Yes, that line.
I already put mine down. Underlined.
While you're doing that, I'm going to start the experiment. Okay. Ready? What are you going to do on the back when you're done? You're going to draw pictures of the animals we've learned about. Okay, table 3. Everybody come over here and gather around me. I have water in my water bottle. Ready? Remember, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how we can explain how how penguins stay dry and why they need to stay dry. Ready? We're going to do the one without the coloring first. Okay. Is it soaking through?
No.
Oh, is it? You're sure? No. Look, it's making it all warped. Now we're going to do this one. What do you notice about this one and that one? Look really close over the crayon. What do you guys notice? What's it doing? Do you guys see what it's doing? Table 4, can you go have a seat, please? What do you guys see? What do you guys see? What does it have on it?
Water.
Water, but what does it look like? It has little bubbles. Do you see that on this? Oh, look. Is it soaking through?
Yeah.
Do you see little bubbles on this one? And then look. You do that and it comes off. Is it soaking? Look at the back. What do you notice? What do you notice about the back? What can you see? What do you think that white is? It's the crayon. That shows how it's waterproof. It's staying completely dry where the crayon is. Isn't that cool? So, did it soak through with the crayon? No, it didn't soak through with the crayon.